Good evening and welcome to it. This is Chess and Wine, and we're here for the final standings, final results for the advanced section of the, I almost said the emoji, the Capetown Masters Challenge. Same stage almost, about a 200,000 rands difference in terms of the prizes, or so, or more or less. But anyway, so yeah, my name is ADP. We're back at it. So now, maybe just starting from the round 9, the final round of the advanced section, how things went. Like in board 5, we saw just before we get the final standings and see how they got to that point. In the final round, on the 5th board, in board number 5, we saw a Rowan Nell winning with the white pieces against Glenn Willenberg, who also had 5.5 points. Now this puts him at 6.5 points. And in board 4, it was David Nivod, yeah, some names, winning now against Schuler Ashley, who also had 5.5 points, and now this puts him at 6.5 points. In board 3, Antonio Michaels loses to Ismail Ali, who also had 5.5 points. Now this again putting him in 6.5 points for final standings. And in the second board, it's a draw between Jordan Machette and Janko Weideman. Now they are both at, Janko Weideman is at 7 points with this draw, and Jordan Machette goes to 6.5 points. And in the first board, Adam Snycker, from 7.5 points, wins again against now Cecil Ohlson, who had 6.5 points. Now the final standings then puts Adam Snycker a very clear, beautiful win out of the 9 games. 8.5 points. That means no loss, no lose. He only had 1 draw in the entire tournament. Wow. So Adam Snycker dominated the advanced section. He was followed by Janko Weideman, who finished with 7 points out of 9. And there is Cecil Ohlson with 6.5 points. Also at 6.5 points is Rowan Nell and Ismail Ali and David Nivod, and also Jordan Machette within the top 7. But obviously tie breaks put Ismail Ali at number 5. My goodness. So these are the current standing, the finishing standings. And the first woman that we see, which was obviously the top woman in the top finishing woman in this event, is Emily Crowe at number 17 with 5.5 points. So I guess she becomes the first female player in the section, followed by Mbalenhle Cindy, who also finishes with 5 points in the event. And I think the senior prize, if there was a senior prize in this event, will go to Omar Esau. Dr. Omar Esau finishes with 5 points out of 9. I think is the first. Wait, I may be wrong. Why am I thinking is the first senior? Because I don't know what anybody else's age. I see Ashley Schooler is also there. Let me see. We'll see obviously from the what do we call it, the pictures, because I don't have the breakdowns of who takes which prize. But anyways, this is what we have. This is what happened in the advanced section. Adam Snycker, I think from Gauteng, they didn't come all the way from Gauteng, takes over, dominates this section. Congratulations to him. Congratulations to Janko Weideman on winning the silver medal, and Cecil Ohlson for taking 3rd place in this side, and obviously other prize winners like Rowan Nell, Ismail Ali, and of course the top 2 women player, Emily Crowe and Mbalenhle Cindy. Congratulations. This has been it for this section. Now all that's missing are the place results coming right up. Good evening.
Hello, my name is Adam Snyckers. I'm from the Randburg Chess Club in Johannesburg, and we've come down to Capetown for the Capetown Masters, and just had a really tough game against an opponent who I think is extremely underrated, but I at least managed to win. It went to a queen and pawn endgame where I was up a pawn, and I had to avoid all sorts of perpetuals and getting mated and stuff, so I was shaking a lot and got down to 15 seconds at one point. And he also offered a draw a few times throughout the game when the position probably was quite equal, but I thought because I'm the higher rated player I should push on. So I was really thinking, well, if I lose from here that would just be terrible. But yeah, I managed to get I had the checks in the king and pawn endgame, so that helped, and then his queen was a bit out of place, so I managed to take another pawn, and then I promoted before he did, and there was a mating net. But yeah, very tough game. but it was fun. No, I really like the venue. This is my first time coming to UWC campus. I must say it's a very nice campus. It was very easy getting here. Yeah, the parking, the facilities are great. Yeah, the boards, I think the setup is great. Everything ran smoothly. It was the first time we actually started pretty much on time at a chess tournament in a while, so that was nice. Yeah, no, it's great.